Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Analyst at GDMFX with the morning outlook. Starting with the US dollar, it's heading for a weekly gain versus most of its group of 10 peers as signs of an accelerating US recovery and spurred speculations that Federal Reserve will bring forward the timing of interest rate increase. That's a very important fact, by the way. It's going to hit major commodities and major currency pairs. Now, yesterday, Mario Draghi affirmed that he will keep the interest rate low, as officials from his side are trying to revive the region's economy with a new round of stimulus. Sluggish economic recovery, by the way, and persistently slow inflation prompted the ECB president and his officials to introduce a range of measures last month. Also, the Frankfurt-based central bank cut its benchmark rate to a record low of 0.15%. That took its deposit rate below zero and unveiled targeted loans to help revive lending and growth. Of course, right now the euro versus the dollar went down to 0.35 and now is traded close to 100 pips higher. Not much of a change in the USD JPY currency pair. Now we're looking at a 102 yen per dollar, still inside the sideways range between 102.80 and 100.80. The British pound is climbing up still, remaining above the key support level at 1.7 pounds per dollar, aiming for the key resistance at 1.75. If it manages to breach above, it will head even higher. Now it's traded around the 1.7156, a steady uptrend. In the commodity sector, gold is holding below the 3-month high, trimming fifth weekly gain, as investors are assessing the outlook for higher U.S. borrowing costs. Now, after the employment data yesterday affirmed that it beat its estimates, most of our indicators are neutral, signaling sideways movement for today. As we all know, today is 4th of July, U.S. Independence Day. Now, oil, West Texas Intermediate, headed for a second weekly drop as Libya is preparing to resume exports from the two terminals and on speculations that Iraq's crude production will remain unaffected by violence that is escalating on the north. Now, based on our technical analysis, we will wait for a confirmational signal before taking any action on the commodity, as it is right now at a very key support level. So that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.